Alright guys, I'm going to the used car department. It's always some cool cars over here. I'm getting bored and burnt out with these everyday Chrysler. Ooh, look at this. Nissan 300 something he said. Guys, this is a 2010 model. According to the sticker. It only has 94,000 miles. Somebody traded this in. I have no idea what they got. I have no idea what we have out there on the lot that's pretty much similar. It's a V6. VVEL. Alright, well you cats out there that work on everything. Cause Lord knows. Oh, nobody's getting back there in the rear, that's for sure. So it's obviously a two-seater. In fact, let me get a full view of the whole car. Yes, it's a nice two-seater. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Nissan 370Z. Plates gone, somebody just traded it in. God, this sucker's sweet. I don't know, this on the same platform as the Viper, maybe? No, the Viper was a high-powered V8. This could possibly be a high-powered V6. I don't know. No more than two people, guys. What killed me is it's 2010. They only have, so it's a decade old, not even 100,000 miles. Is this convertible? Yeah, from the looks of it, I think the top come down. Y'all see that? I don't know, y'all guys. I can't really speak much on these cars that I'm not familiar with, but a car is a car is a car. I understand that, but at the end of the day, there is some similarity, but hey, so these don't take long to sell, do they? These shouldn't take long to sell, should they? Like that Audi you had in here, you said sold fairly quick.
Yeah, it was sold before we got done working on it.
Oh, that is sweet, guys. That one got a hologram. That one got one of them little hologram things. It was a guy on YouTube said Jim been doing that for like a decade now. They've been doing that for a minute now. Oh, what you doing, man? That come up? Whoa. I don't care. It's supposed to go all the way down. There it goes. All automated. Oh, you do have to check that doing a used car inspection, don't you?
Yeah, but it wouldn't go down this morning because it's too cold.
This temperature thing?
Yeah, after a certain temperature, ambient temp, it won't go down because of the fluid.
It's looking at the battery?
And the seals. No.
What is looking at?
Like
Right.
Outside temperature is ambient temperature. Not battery.
Ours, it's the same thing.
No.
Yes.
We have an ambient temperature, not a battery temp. We have battery temp too.
Right.
An ambient temperature.
But in the older days, they used that to determine ambient. We didn't have to.
We had an ambient. We've had an ambient forever. In the grill, you know.
Right. And hanging out in the front of the grill. Yes.
That's what. After a certain temperature, because of the seals cracking and all that stuff, it won't let the top go down. I'm fixing to put it back up, bud, because I don't want to go right around with the top down.
Put it back up. I want to see. It's a temp thing, guys. They don't want this thing operating in extremely cold weather, obviously. Just verify. Convertible top actually worked. That was sweet. There you go, got the plate on it. Used car plate that we use to put on it, so we got to be able to drive them. So we got to have a legal, that's the dealer plate, I think. So that's what we use to stick on any car and drive. So with that on, the car is insured, the driver's insured, the company is insured, everybody's safe. That's the main goal. So I guess he's gonna go drive. I wonder if he's gonna punch it and see how much speed it'll give out. But it's pretty neat. That makes sense, guys, for that top not to be able to come down until it reaches a certain ambient temperature. So it'd be interesting to know where the sensor that detects the outside temperature is located. Okay, so, and keep in mind also, guys, this is 20 2010 model, so it's a decade old. So most of this technology done. I don't see new cars being built with convertible tops anymore at all. I mean, I could be wrong. Not that I'm wrong, it's just I don't know. So you guys out there, y'all know more about this stuff than me. So if y'all know, let me know, so I won't be walking around saying the wrong stuff. You know, I have been known to talk and not know what the hell I'm talking about. So charge it to the game, not mine. How'd that go? I don't know how that go. Look at that. It's got wheel lugs on it. Oh, he was looking for the key. I don't know if he had any success. There's nothing fancy about inside of here. Oh, you checking the AC and shit?
Still saying it's 37 degrees outside. Outside temp, icy, 37 degrees. I'm surprised this actually went down.
What are they using to detect the ambient temp?
It's probably got a sensor in the grill.
In the grill?
Huh? Did the top work? Yeah.
Look at this little trunk space.
The top work? It didn't, but it's too cold too.
Not much trunk space.
Yeah, the top won't lay down.
Spare tire under here?
Huh?
Spare tire under there?
No, actually, you know what? I need to lift that up.
Whoa, no spare tire on the 2010?
That's kind of fun. I need to see if there's a wheel lock in there, actually. Yes.
I thought the no spare syndrome showed up in 2015.
No. Just on domestic. Yeah, Mercedes has been doing that forever.
Man, I ain't driving no car without a damn spare tire. I don't give it. And what's sad, you can take this out and put a spare tire in its place.
Yeah. It's about the kid. You see any lock? Yep.
They got wheel locks on the wheels?
Yep.
What if you have a blowout? What good is that?
That?
Any of that?
This is sealant. You got sealant.
I said a blowout, Kurt. What if you have a blowout, not a flat tire?
That's why you have AAA.
Man, AAA, boy, I need a real physical ass spare tire.
I know, that's why you drive a real old piece of shit.
Whoa! This car is a decade old. Don't act like it's new. Whoa, man! What we not gonna do is talk bad about the PT. That's what we not gonna do. That's why I draw the line. You have just went too far. All right, I'm leaving. I don't like these guys anymore. I'm going back to my side. I don't like it over here. Y'all see that? This guy had something bad to say about my PT. I'm going back to my hole, guys. That's where I draw the line. You will not, I repeat, you will not say nothing bad about a PT Cruiser. Y'all stay tuned. I got more to come.